Okay, yeah, it's been a chilly one this morning and a bit of an adventure. Of course, as I've already stated, the van was an absolute icebox. I started up the engine, ran it for a bit to try to thaw it out. I've driven for a little bit to heat it up. But now I have a new issue. The back doors are frozen shut, so I can't even open them up to get anything that's in the boot. Hopefully, a bit of sunshine on it will sort of defrost them a bit and maybe they'll open. Alright, some good news. I managed to bust the back doors open from the inside, so I can now get into the boot. The only thing is, in doing that, I've discovered a new problem. It's snowing. Crazy thing is, I swear it's warmer out here than it is in the van. I think the van might be acting like a fridge at the moment and just containing all of the cold. Only at light dusting of snow. I think there were some clouds that came over and brought a bit over, but now it's settled down a bit. And I think that this entire stream might be frozen over. God, look at that. I'm not going to walk on it, I'm just going to step on it. Oh my god. That's actually... can actually walk on the ice. This is cool. I was not expecting this. I mean, it was very cold last night. I didn't know it was like river freezing cold. Like, that's crazy. Like, no wonder the van is an ice cube. God. Feeling a bit better about the cold weather now. This has cheered me up. Okay, you can probably hear the van chugging away and the aircon blowing. That is because I've just spent the whole morning defrosting the van because absolutely everything is frozen. Literally everything. Like, half of my bottled water has just completely solidified. The ceiling was coated in frost. There's still some frost on some of the metal work. My hand wash is frozen. My dishwashing liquid is frozen. I literally have to sleep with my water bottle under the covers with me to stop it from freezing at night. It is that cold at the moment. Okay, so I'm now at the last spot that I filmed at in last year's series, where there was the waterfall and it snowed. Thankfully, we have a bit of respite from the cold. There is some beautiful sunshine directly on the back of the van, so I'm able to, you know, wipe it down. I'm getting some good sunlight on the solar panel, so that's charging that up a bit. So the problem was a huge amount of moisture had built up behind this. It's soaking wet now. I've kind of given it a wipe down. Once it's dried off a little bit, I've got some more adhesive spray, so I can spray that back, pop that back up. Yeah, things have been much colder than expected. It's taken some toll on the van. Thankfully, got a bit of sunshine. Should clean all this up a little bit. Okay, it's a bit dark this morning, but after multiple nights of it being minus 10 degrees and absolutely bloody freezing, last night wasn't actually that bad, which is surprising considering all of this. Look at this. crazy. Like, considering last night was warmer than it's been for like the last 3 or 4 days, you would not expect it to have been snowing all night like this. It is literally like 2 foot deep. It is insane. Maybe not 2 foot deep, like 1 foot, but it is like, oh god, perfect fluffy snow. Make it into a snowball. You could probably build a snowman. But yeah, I can't believe, like, it was so warm in there. Well, not warm, but it was much warmer last night. God, it's really coming down again. Oh man, this is actually difficult to walk through. It is so deep. And yes, once again, I knew this was coming. I mean, obviously, I had no way of knowing that I was going to be at the exact same spot where it snowed last year. This year, it worked out that I reached the same spot when the snow came. I'm out of breath. Like, walking through this is so difficult. Oh, okay, yeah, the road is snowy. Yes! Look at that! That's the road. I think the only thing that's going to be coming through here is 4-wheel drives. Holy crap! Look at it come down! These are absolutely huge flakes of snow. I'm going to be stuck here for days. It's not so much of a problem. I have plenty of water and food. The only problem is my drinking water keeps freezing because it's so cold. But look at it. This is so cool. What insane snow. Okay, that didn't really go that well. The cold weather and all the snow kept falling onto the DSLR and causing it to fog up and get crap shots. So I think I'm going to have to wait a little bit for the snow to stop, if it stops. This is a bit much. This is like a downpour. The tripod is just getting covered in snow, GoPro is getting covered in snow, DSLR is getting covered in snow, I'm getting covered in snow. So yeah, I think I should wait this one out a little bit. God, this is insane. Okay, the snow has calmed down a bit. There's probably still more to come, but I want to take this opportunity to clear some of the snow off of the solar panels and also clear off the vent up there so that I can still cook stuff inside of the van. Oh my God, this is so deep. Look how deep it is. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Oh, okay. Man, look at all of this snow. Right, this is good because this will mean that we'll get something from the solar panels. It won't be much because it's cloudy, but it's something. Right, it is now Monday. That rain we was promised has finally arrived. It's washing away the snow pretty quickly. It's probably only like an inch deep at this point. So I'm thinking that by tomorrow, should be able to drive out of here pretty easily. It's Tuesday morning. A lot of the snow is kind of melted away. There's a bit of a pile in front of the car, so I'm going to clear that out with my little shovel. And hopefully we should be driving on out of here. So fingers crossed for that. Okay, I could not stop. Second gear. Oh, I am just sliding. Oh my God. Right, first gear. No, I've got stuck. That is just like slush and ice. So I don't think I'm going to be able to just quite easily drive on out. Let's see if I can get a run up. I'm just going towards that bit there. No. Okay, so shall we try out the snow chains? Okay, that took a long time. If this doesn't work, then we're going to be here another day. Holy crap, that's actually working really well. Just get to there. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Snow chains, baby, they worked. Okay, so the passenger side snow chains actually came off, so they weren't even doing anything. But, let's move forwards a little bit so I can get the other ones off. Okay, now I should just need to roll back a little to get off of them, and we will be out of here.